Annual Day in BMC College. Students are taking part in different activities. They are learning how to work with each other and manage their relationships.
Today, with them, we will learn to be flexible in different situations and with different people. In this lesson, you will learn that many times things don't happen according to our plan. If we are flexible, we can react positively to such situations. By being flexible, we can make better relationships. Murthy, Bhanu, and Preetham are participating in the drama competition. They have practiced their play for 1 month. On the drama competition day, Bhanu's father falls sick. He is not able to come. Preetham gets very angry.
How can he do this? Now we will not be able to perform.
Murthy says,
Preetham, don't get upset. Bhanu did not do it purposely.
Preetham disagrees.
I don't know all that. We have been practicing for so long. Everything is wasted now. And it is all his fault.
Murthy says,
Calm down. I can understand you are upset. We can still try. We can change our drama story a little.
Murthy is being flexible. He is trying to change himself according to the situation. Preetham is not flexible. He is upset about the situation because he cannot change it. And he does not want to change himself. What should they do now? Click on each one to find out what can happen. Murthy convinces Preetham. Both of them do the play without Bhanu. Their friends and teachers praise them because they did not give up. They were flexible. Their friendship becomes stronger after this. Preetham does not listen to Murthy. He does not want to adjust. They don't take part in the competition. Later, Preetham also fights with Bhanu. Bhanu and Murthy are upset with him. Many times, things don't happen according to our plan. We think that something will happen, but something else happens. In such times, we should be flexible. This means we should try to change ourselves according to the situation. Let us do an activity. This is a ball. You can change its size by dragging the yellow circle up and down. Try it yourself. When you have understood, click on I am ready. The ball has to go on the path and reach the basketball net. But right now, it is too big. Change it to the correct size and then click on Go. Now the ball is the perfect size. Now the ball has to reach the badminton racket. Change the size again and click Go. Now the ball is the perfect size. Finally, the ball has to reach the cricket bat. Change the size again and click Go. Now the ball is the perfect size. Like this ball, we should also be flexible. Then we can find a solution even when the situation changes. We can also work with other people more positively. This helps make better relationships. Bhanu meets his friends.
Congratulations! Both of you handled the situation so well. How did you adjust to the change?
Preetham says,
I was very upset at first. Then, Murthy told me that the situation cannot change, but we can.
Murthy added,
Yes, we decided that we will fight the situation. We won't give up.
Preetham continued.
Then, we took small steps. We first changed the play, then we practiced it.
Murthy finally said,
We also changed our expectations. We thought that doing the play will make us successful. Even if we do not win, it is okay.
Bhanu says,
Wow! I am very inspired by the both of you.
Bhanu is trying to be flexible like his friends. Here are some questions. Choose the correct option for these. Bhanu has to go for a college trip. His mother and brother are also traveling to another city. His father gets sick and needs some care. If Bhanu is flexible, what will he do? He will stay at home to take care of his father. He will call his mother and ask her to come home. Yes, sometimes life can be tough, but we should be flexible. This will help us take correct decisions for us and our family. Bhanu becomes a salesman. One day, his shift ends. He is waiting to go home. The next salesman tells him that he will be 1 hour late. If Bhanu is flexible, what will he do? He will go home because his shift ended. He will wait for the next salesman and then go home. Yes, we must be flexible and ready to adjust at work. This can help us make good relationships with people at work. Your turn. Think about a time when the situation around you changed suddenly. Were you able to adjust to it? If yes, how? If no, think about what you could have done. Share this on the Quest app community page.